children. My name is Bill Nye, the science guy.
Bill, the science guy.
And this is my assistant, Banana Bob. Okay, today we're going to teach you about subtraction. I have two problems that we're going to solve today. Oopsies. We have 52 minus 25 equals, I don't know. And then we have 33 minus 24 equals, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to grab 5 10 blocks. This is a 10 block. We're going to put that one there. Going to grab 4 more. Whoa. Yeah, so now we have 50. Banana Bob. Would you like to grab some Would you like to grab some of these blocks?
Yes.
Okay, Banana Bob.
One of these.
Banana Bob.
One of these is called a 1, and 2 ones is 2.
Okay, so now we need to take away 25. So to do that, we're going to take away 5. Oh no! We can't take away 5 because there's only 2 of these. So we're going to do some trading and trade 1 of these into 10 of these. Banana Bob, would you grab 10 MAP blocks?
I did.
Okay. Thank you, Banana.
I'm magical.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so now we can take away 5 because there's more. So we're going to take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay!
Now that we're taking away the ones, Banana Bob can hide that somewhere. Now we're going to take away 2 10s. After we've done that, we have our answer. Would one of the little kiddies like to say what it is? Okay, you. What is it?
25?
No, it's 27. 27. Okay, we're going to put them on that. Let's put the pen. This is not a question mark anymore. It's 27.
That magic!
Magic Banana Bob.
Magic man.
Now, okay, Banana Bob, would you like to do the next one?
Sure.
Okay.
You need to grab 3 10s
Yeah.
and 3 1s.
Are they magical?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're magical.
They're very magical. But you see,
No, you
again,
can't eat them
kind of
all
like this last one, that you can't, since we only have 3, and there's a 4, you can't do that because you can't.
Oh.
So you have to trade one of these into
I'll grab some.
and then you have to count, and then we need to count. You go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, Banana Bob. Can I take away the last 2?
Yes.
Okay. Now we need to take away 2 10s.
Oh no.
1, 2. Can I count what's left, Banana Bob?
Okay.
Okay.
1,